Have you ever checked into a hotel and suddenly forgotten the English you practiced? You know the words, but speaking with confidence feels difficult. From booking your room to asking for help, ordering room service, and checking out, every conversation matters. In this video, you'll learn the natural English that hotel guests use every day. By the end, you'll feel ready to handle every stage of a hotel stay with confidence, clarity, and professionalism. Today, you'll learn practical English for one of the most common travel experiences, staying at a hotel. We'll follow the complete journey, beginning with booking a room and ending with checking out. Along the way, you'll discover useful expressions, polite questions, essential vocabulary, and complete conversations that sound natural in real life. So, let's begin. Situation 1. Booking a hotel room with confidence. The hotel experience begins before you arrive. A smooth booking conversation helps you choose the right room, understand the hotel services, and avoid misunderstandings later. Whether you book by phone or speak with hotel staff in person, using clear and polite English creates a positive first impression. Instead of asking only, "Do you have a room?" try saying, "I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please." This sounds more natural and immediately tells the receptionist what you need. You can then ask, "Do you have any rooms available? What room types do you offer?" Or, "What's included in the room rate?" These questions help you gather important information before making a decision. If you have specific requirements, express them politely. You could say, "I'd prefer a non-smoking room. Could I have a room with a city view?" Or, "Is breakfast included?" Before confirming the reservation, ask about the cancellation policy and check-in time by saying, "Could you tell me your cancellation policy?" and "What time is check-in?" Finally, confirm your booking confidently by saying, "I'd like to confirm the reservation, please." A polite closing such as, "Thank you. I look forward to my stay," leaves a professional impression and prepares you for the next stage of your hotel experience. Situation 2. Checking in smoothly at the reception. After arriving at the hotel, your first conversation usually happens at the reception desk. This is where you confirm your reservation, receive your room details, and ask any important questions before settling in. Speaking politely and confidently helps the entire check-in process feel smooth and professional. A natural way to begin is by saying, "Hello, I have a reservation under the name Alex Carter." If the receptionist asks for identification, simply respond, "Certainly. Here's my passport." Or, "Here's my identification." Once your booking is confirmed, you may hear, "Your room is ready," or "You are staying with us for 3 nights." Listening carefully allows you to follow the conversation with confidence. Before taking your room key, this is a good time to ask practical questions. You could say, "Could you tell me what time breakfast is served? What's the Wi-Fi password?" Or, "Which floor is my room on?" If you need extra information, ask, "Could you explain how to reach the lift?" Or, "Is there anything I should know about the hotel?" These questions sound natural and show confidence without being complicated. When everything is clear, finish the conversation politely by saying, "Thank you very much. I appreciate your help." A friendly and respectful check-in creates a positive start to your stay and makes every conversation that follows feel much more comfortable. Situation 3. Asking about hotel facilities and services. Once you've checked in, You'll often need information about the hotel's facilities and services. Instead of waiting until you need something, asking a few questions early can help you enjoy a more comfortable and organized stay. Using polite and natural English also makes your conversations with the hotel staff more pleasant. A good way to begin is by saying, "Could you tell me what facilities are available?" This open question allows the receptionist to explain the hotel's main services. If you need specific information, ask, "Is breakfast included with my stay? What time does the fitness center open? Is there a swimming pool for guests? Or, do you offer a laundry service?" These questions are common and sound natural in hotels around the world. You may also want to ask about convenience services. For example, is there free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel? Do you provide airport transportation? Can I leave my luggage after checkout? Or, is room service available 24 hours a day? Asking clear questions helps you understand what the hotel offers and avoid confusion later. Always end the conversation politely with expressions such as, "Thank you for the information," or, "That's very helpful. I appreciate your assistance." Confidently asking about hotel facilities ensures you know exactly what is available and helps you make the most of your stay from the very beginning. Situation 4. Requesting room changes and extra amenities politely. Even after checking in, you may discover that your room doesn't fully meet your needs. Perhaps it's noisier than expected, you would prefer a different view, or you simply need extra amenities to make your stay more comfortable. The key is to make your requests politely and clearly, as hotel staff are usually happy to help whenever possible. Instead of saying, "I don't like this room," try a more professional approach such as, "Would it be possible to change to a quieter room?" Or, "Could I request a room on a higher floor?" These expressions sound respectful and increase the chances of receiving a positive response. When requesting additional items, use phrases like, "Could I have an extra pillow, please? Would it be possible to get another blanket? Could you send some fresh towels to my room?" Or, "May I request an adapter for my charger?" If you are traveling with family, you could also ask, "Could you provide a baby cot?" Or, "Is it possible to arrange an extra bed?" Remember to remain patient if the hotel needs time to fulfill your request. You can end the conversation with, "Thank you for your assistance. I really appreciate it." Speaking politely and confidently creates a positive interaction and helps you receive the support you need while making your stay more enjoyable. Situation 5. Reporting room problems professionally. Even in an excellent hotel, unexpected problems can happen. The air conditioning may stop working, the shower might not have hot water, or something in the room could be damaged. Instead of feeling frustrated, explain the issue calmly and politely. Clear communication helps the hotel staff understand the problem and find a solution as quickly as possible. Begin by describing the issue directly but respectfully. You could say, "Excuse me, I'm having a problem with my room." Then explain the situation clearly with sentences like, "The air conditioning isn't working properly. There doesn't seem to be any hot water. The television isn't turning on." Or, "The room hasn't been cleaned yet." Being specific makes it easier for the staff to provide the right assistance. After explaining the problem, politely ask for a solution. You can say, "Could someone take a look at it, please? Would it be possible to send someone to fix it?" Or, "If the problem can't be resolved soon, could I change to another room?" These expressions sound confident, respectful, and professional in any hotel. When the staff offers assistance, respond with appreciation by saying, "Thank you for taking care of this," or "I appreciate your prompt help." Staying calm and using polite English creates a positive conversation and helps resolve problems quickly, allowing you to enjoy the rest of your stay with confidence. Situation 6. Asking for local information and recommendations. Hotel reception staff are often one of the best sources of local information. They know the area well and can recommend places that suit your interests, whether you are looking for restaurants, attractions, shopping, or transport. Asking clear and polite questions helps you receive useful advice and makes exploring a new destination much easier. A natural way to begin is by saying, "Could you recommend some good places to visit nearby?" If you are interested in food, ask, "Could you recommend a good local restaurant?" Or, "Is there a cafe within walking distance?" For sightseeing, you might say, "Which attractions would you recommend for first-time visitors?" These questions sound friendly and encourage detailed recommendations. You can also ask for practical information. Try expressions such as, "What's the best way to get to the city center?" "Is public transport easily available?" "Could you call a taxi for me, please?" Or, "Is this area safe to walk around in the evening?" If you need directions, ask, "Could you show me on the map?" Or, "How long does it usually take to get there?" Finish the conversation politely by saying, "Thank you for your recommendations." Or, "That's exactly the information I needed. I appreciate your help." Confidently asking for local advice allows you to discover the destination more easily and enjoy a smoother, more memorable travel experience. Situation 7. Ordering room service naturally. After a long day of traveling or exploring, ordering room service is a convenient way to enjoy a meal without leaving your room. The conversation is usually simple, but knowing the right expressions helps you sound confident, polite, and natural when speaking with the hotel staff. Begin by greeting the staff and placing your order clearly. You could say, "Hello, I'd like to order room service, please." If you haven't decided what to eat, ask, "Could you recommend a popular dish?" Or, "What's today's special?" When you are ready, place your order with expressions such as, "I'd like the grilled chicken with a side salad, please. Could I have a bottle of water as well?" Or, "I'd like my meal delivered at 7 p.m., if possible." If you have dietary preferences or special requests, explain them politely. For example, "Could you prepare this without onions, please? Do you have any vegetarian options?" Or, "Could you bring some extra cutlery and napkins?" These requests are common and help ensure your meal arrives exactly as you need it. Before ending the call, confirm the details by asking, "Could you confirm my order, please?" When the meal arrives, a simple, "Thank you very much," or "I appreciate your service," leaves a positive impression. Using polite, natural English makes ordering room service easy and ensures a pleasant dining experience throughout your stay. Situation 8. Checking out and making the payment. As your stay comes to an end, the final conversation at the reception is just as important as the first. During checkout, you'll confirm your bill, make the payment, and complete your stay. Speaking clearly and politely helps the process go smoothly and leaves a positive final impression. Begin by approaching the reception desk and saying, "Good morning. I'd like to check out, please." The receptionist may ask for your room number or room key. You can simply reply, I was staying in room 512. Or, here's my room key. Once your bill is prepared, take a moment to review it carefully before making the payment. If you have any questions about the charges, ask politely. You could say, "Could you explain this charge, please? Is breakfast included in the total?" Or, "Could you check whether everything has been added correctly?" If everything looks correct, continue with, "I'd like to pay by credit card, please. Could I have the receipt?" Or, "Could you email me the receipt as well?" These expressions sound natural and professional in hotels around the world. Before leaving, end the conversation warmly by saying, "Thank you for your excellent service. I had a wonderful stay." Or, "Thank you. I hope to stay here again in the future." A polite and confident checkout completes your hotel experience on a positive and memorable note. Situation 9. Essential hotel vocabulary and a complete hotel conversation. Now that you've learned every stage of a hotel stay, it's time to bring everything together. Understanding common hotel vocabulary will help you recognize and remember the expressions more easily. Seeing them used in one complete conversation will help you use them naturally and confidently during your own travels. Here are some essential hotel words you should know: reservation, reception, check-in, check-out, room rate, availability, amenities, housekeeping, room service, lobby, lift, receipt, cancellation policy, vacancy, and concierge. These words appear frequently in hotels around the world, so becoming familiar with them will make every conversation easier to understand. Now imagine this complete journey. You begin by saying, "I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please." After arriving, you check in with, "I have a reservation under the name Emma Wilson." Later, you ask, "What's the Wi-Fi password?" Request, "Could I have an extra pillow, please?" Report, "The air conditioning isn't working properly." Ask, "Could you recommend a good local restaurant?" Order dinner through room service. And finally check out by saying, "I'd like to check out, please. Could I have the receipt?" By connecting these words and expressions into one natural journey, you'll remember them more easily and feel prepared to communicate confidently during every stage of a hotel stay, from your reservation to your final goodbye. Congratulations! You've now completed the entire hotel journey in English, from making a reservation to checking out with confidence. Every situation you learn today reflects real conversations that travelers have every day in hotels around the world. The more you practice these expressions aloud and imagine yourself in each situation, the more natural they will become. Remember, confident communication isn't about using difficult words. It's about speaking clearly, politely, and naturally. Keep practicing these conversations regularly, and before long, you'll feel comfortable handling any hotel stay in English with confidence wherever your travels take you. If this video helped you become more disciplined, please give it a like. Share it with someone who wants to build better habits. In the comments, tell us which lesson you will start practicing today. Subscribe to English Story Journey for more life-changing lessons. Press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.